There's Jeremy. It's still high in the air, but I don't know. He's still flying around here, hoping to come down. But I'm afraid the crows took his chicken. If he doesn't, well, he tried to come down right away, but it didn't work. Okay. Here you see the pigeons eating in their little spot there, and some pigeons and the crows are on the main feeding spot. Oh, there's Jeremy. Jeremy wants to come down so badly. Oh, poor Jeremy. I feel so sorry for little Jeremy. Oh, there they go. Here you go, guy. Here you go, honey. There you go. Good job. Okay. Okay. That's how it used to be. I used to feed them one by one. Let's see here. It almost looks like Charlie. There we go. Okay. Oh, there's Jeremy. There's Jeremy. Let's see if he's able to land now. I'm off the field. If there's anything for him that he can eat there. Poor Jeremy wants to come down. Now's his chance to come down. I don't know what's left. There's some noodles and pieces of egg left. Of course, he knows the storm's moving in. He's weighing out if it's worth coming down. Also, he's being chased. Jeremy's being chased. I don't know if you can see that. He's being chased by one very brave crow. He says, "This is our territory." So, well, the crows had a lot to contend with. First, the seagulls. First of all, the abuse, the poisoning for the last 2.5 years. Then the seagulls, and now the hawks. So it is a lot. I don't know what that car is doing there. Anyway, she's gonna get out and attack me? I don't know. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to let the birds feed now, and I'm going to cut off the video. This is, oh, she's parked on the sidewalk. She'll get a ticket for that. She's not careful. Well, we were stopped for the police for parking on the sidewalk. You can park on the street, right? Weird. Park in the street, but don't take up any of the sidewalk. Oh, there's someone there they don't like. Wow. I guess they don't like her, right? Let's not get her in our video. But they definitely don't like that woman. For some reason, I don't know. There's the hawk's way up there. Now she's coming to attack me verbally, so. But anyway, yeah. So anyway, we'll cut this video short because otherwise she's, you know, hell bent on coming after me. And like I say, I really don't want her in my video. So anyway, This is DC Danton, Crusader. Entschuldigung, Sie sind in mein Video. Eek. Okay? Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Just mind your own business, please. Move on. Move on. Please move on. Just move on. Yeah. Mind your own business. See, they can't help themselves. Obviously, she hates the birds. Here's another example of a person who owns a dog who absolutely hates the birds. It is unbelievable, but I keep telling you this over and over. And here's your example right here. She has a lovely dog, but she herself is not lovely. The opposite. But anyway, I don't argue with these people. I just say move on. Please move on. Okay? So what are you going to do? But you saw, as soon as she came, I'm sure she's gone after the birds with that umbrella, you know, more than once. So anyway, I'm going to shut down now because now I don't have any more birds. And this is DC Danton Crusader, over and out. Until tomorrow.